Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can turn off active on Instagram. In order to turn off your active status on Instagram, first of all, open up or log in into your Instagram account. Also make sure that you've already updated your application. Once done updating your application, go to the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner, and over here tap on the try bar icon. Once you tap on the try bar icon, go to settings. This is gonna take you to the settings page. Right on this page, go to privacy, and over here scroll down a bit and go to activity status. So if you've already enabled your activity status, then the interface might be something like this. So to turn it off, you need to toggle the switch and just enable, then disable it. So when you turn off your activity status, you'll no longer see the active status of others, nor others will be able to see yours. The green dot icon will disappear, and that's basically how you can turn off your active status on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.